Hi, I'm Mariana. So you're looking for a new home? I'm sure there's a lot on your must-have list. Let's see if we can check them all off at Creekstone Villas. Must-have number 1, low-maintenance living. You won't need to spend your weekends mowing the lawn or pulling weeds because every home in Creekstone Villas will have lawn maintenance included. Must-have number 2, a first-floor owner suite. Creekstone Villas consist of all 2-story townhomes designed with your lifestyle in mind. You will appreciate the thought that went into this design. A first-floor owner suite, an additional 2 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a covered porch. Convenience is of utmost importance with the 1-car garage and extra-wide driveway for extra parking. You'll love all of the details. And inside, you'll be able to pick your favorite professionally designed finishes to match your style. We've hired interior designers for you. Select from professionally designed interior packages that give you confidence everything coordinates. Must-have number 3, convenient location. At Creekstone Villas, you are walking distance to the Swamp Rabbit Trail, which makes staying active easy. You are also minutes away from Cherrydale Point, which has plenty of options for shopping, dining, and entertainment. Trailblazer Park is just 4 miles away, where you can enjoy concerts, weekly harvest market, and much more. And you'll be 10 minutes away from downtown Greenville and Travelers Rest. These areas are full of fun activities to do on the weekends. Ready to live a low-maintenance lifestyle at Creekstone Villas? If I've checked everything off of your list, take the next step and come see us. I can't wait to welcome you home.